Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to pull apart your BABF Falcon shifter and replace the trim piece. Unfortunately, it is quite common for the factory trim piece to go quite yucky after all these years, so I thought it would be a helpful video to make. So for the required tools, all you need is a small flathead and a small Phillips head to get this done. The first step is to simply pull the shifter all the way to the back. This then gives us easiest access to the Phillips head screw at the base of the shifter. All we then need to do is unscrew this screw and put it in a safe space. With it removed, you can simply pull the entire shifter out. Just be mindful of the rod sticking out of the bottom of the shifter, as it does have a layer of grease on it. Using that little flathead, we then want to pry the shifter button off from the top, as it has a little tab that you need to push down to leverage the piece out. From here, it's simply a case of twisting out the base of the piece so it pulls out. Just be careful, as there is a spring on this piece that you need to keep in there for when you reinstall. With this piece out the way, it will then reveal the small screw that is holding in the shifter trim. This is the last piece we need to undo to get to that trim. With your Phillips head, just undo the screw and the shifter trim will slowly separate from the piece. And voila, here it is. You can then grab your replacement piece and begin reinstallation, which is just the reverse of exactly what we've just done. Slot the trim back into place, screw in the back screw, place in the shifter press button, sit the shifter back into the car and then screw it back in. Assuming you've put everything back properly, your shifter should be working as before. Hopefully for anyone trying to replace their shifter trim, this video was of some help. If you're interested in more Ford Falcon videos, be sure to check out the rest of my channel. Thanks for watching.